1 plus cos theta minus sin square theta by sin theta into 1 plus cos theta equal cot theta. Now how to solve this problem? So we will take 1 minus sin square theta plus cos theta by sin theta into 1 plus cos theta. So 1 minus sin square theta, according to trigonometry rule, sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. So cos square theta equal to 1 minus sin square theta. So here 1 minus sin square theta equal to cos square theta plus cos theta by sin theta into 1 plus cos theta. So here we have to take a common cos theta into cos theta plus 1 by sin theta into 1 plus cos theta. 1 plus cos theta, 1 plus cos theta cancel. So cos theta by sin theta equal to cot theta. This is the answer. Next, a cuboid has length L equal 10 cm, breadth 8 cm and height 5 cm. Find its total surface area value. So cuboid total surface area formula is 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. So 2 into 10 into 8 plus 8 into 5 plus 5 into 10. So 2 into 10 is 80, 8 5 is 40, 5 10 is 50. 80 plus 40, 120 plus 50, 170. 2 into 170 equal 340 centimeter square. So this is the total surface area. So volume formula, volume of cuboid equal to L into V into H. So 10 into 8 into 5. 10 H 80, 80 into 5 400 centimeter cube.